वास्कोकारांक कोळसो आनी वूड चिप्साच्या येरादारीक लागून प्रदूषण सोंसचें पडटा. लोकांक त्रास कमी जावचो म्हण MPT जतनाय घेतली म्हण चेअरमॅन उलयलो.
Height inside the port we will curtail. We told them to cover it because this dust problem is happening only in April, May, where the wind velocity is more. Rest of the month you never heard wood chip dust fly. And the road is concerned. Now the height. See, if you see now the paddy straw or wood, it's a lightweight and it will be looking bulky. And we already informed RTO also. RTO also were putting restrictions, and wood chips are now being carried within the dimensions. But as an ordinary citizen, if you look at the track, it will be looking a little bulky, no? But actually, if you see the other parts of the state or other in India also, wherever you carry hay or lightweight material, the size will be there. But the only problem is the wood chips should not fall on the somebody and do that. Now we will tell our handling agents and the company to exercise more caution. So we are concerned about that. Still we will tell them. Then majority what we suggested, you clear the cargo in the night between 10 PM to 6 AM so that it will not give much hindrance to the public.
MPTन 2016-17 वर्सा खातीर बरें काम केल्ले एजन्सींक पुरस्कार दिले. प्रुडंटा खातीर दिशान परब.